Hey beautiful people, today we're gonna cook my Cajun shrimp, sausage, and lump crab Alfredo pasta. Let's get it on and poppin'. So I sliced up some sausage and I thoroughly washed my shrimp and patted it dry. So here I added some olive oil, Old Bay seasoning. Yeah, season it real good. Then I added some Cajun seasoning to give it that spice because I like my food real spicy. Add some garlic powder, parsley to make it all beautiful and whatnot. Add some green. Then you're gonna also add some black pepper, and then you're gonna add 1 cupful of liquid crab oil, and that gives it a kick too as well. And if you don't like your food real spicy, you can skip this step. You're gonna mix it all up, and then you're gonna top it off with some more Cajun seasoning and Old Bay. Y'all should know by now that I like my food real flavorful and seasoned. And you want to add some paprikas just to give the shrimp a little bit more color. You're gonna mix it on up, and we got our shrimp all seasoned and ready to be cooked. And here's our lump crab meat. So now we're gonna move along to cooking our sausage. So you want to make sure your skillet is on medium heat. My favorite brand to use is Conecuh, which is from my home state, Alabama. So you want to cook your sausage described on the package. I cook my sausage for about maybe 4 minutes or so. Not too long. However, I do like it a little crispy. Yeah, just make sure it's done or cook it to your liking. You drain it and you put it on the side. Now, let's bring some water to a boil. So we're gonna add some salt, and a little trick, you guys, if you add olive oil to your water, it keeps the pasta from sticking. Just a small amount, not a lot. You're gonna go ahead and add the pasta to the boiling water, and you wanna cook it al dente. So for my pasta, it took me about 7 minutes, but it's best to cook your pasta best described on the package. So you're going to drain the pasta and then add 1 tablespoon of salted water to stop the cooking process. Okay, so let's get started on our sauce. You will need to add 2 tablespoons of butter, olive oil, and I will have all the measurements listed in the recipe. Minced garlic, and that's about a teaspoon. Stir it on up. Then you want to add 1.5 cups of half and half. And don't be alarmed by the brown. It's just flavor, you guys. So you just want to stir it up. Add some black peppercorn, which is optional. Black pepper is just fine. You're going to let that simmer for a few minutes. It will start to thicken up. Then you want to add some Italian seasoning, Cajun seasoning, some more black pepper, onion powder, parsley, and stir it up. So make sure you're tasting and adjusting your seasonings. Next, you want to add garlic powder, but I would recommend maybe 1 tablespoon. It's not as much as I actually added. That was a little mistake, but hey, whatever. I still made it work, and it was still delicious. So here I added some rotel, diced tomatoes, and green chilies. But also make sure that you drain it before you add it in the sauce. So here you want to add 1 more tablespoon of salted butter. So that was a total of 3 tablespoons of butter in this recipe. Add grated Parmesan cheese. Shredded Parmesan cheese. And lastly, four cheese Mexican. It has Monterey Jack and cheddar and all different types of cheeses that we're gonna just put in this pasta because it's gonna be so cheesy and delicious. So yeah. I also added about a quarter of a cup, a little bit more of the half and half. And who doesn't love more cheese? So yeah, add a little bit more of that too if you like. So you want to continue to whisk your sauce so it doesn't burn. And you want to also add some black pepper to it. So add a little bit more and continue to whisk. And then you're going to add the shrimp. Now shrimp doesn't take very long to cook at all. So we're at the very end. It literally only takes maybe a minute or two for the shrimp to cook. And keep in mind, I have my skillet on low heat. You want to keep it on low heat because you don't want to burn your sauce. And you also don't want your shrimp to overcook. So our sauce is basically done. So we're going to add in our lump crab meat. And we're also going to add in our sausage and our pasta noodles. And we're going to just mix it on up together. Add some parsley, plate it, and that's it. I hope you guys try it and enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, it's so good.